Thank you for helping us finally have this moment to make you proud. My journey with the Excel Center started last year during term 5, late spring. I learned about the Excel Center from a flyer that I saw in the laundry room of an apartment complex where I live. What caught my attention was a picture of the student on front. The student just happened to be one of my good neighbors. So I took one of the flyers from the laundry room and I took it home. When I returned home, I took the flyer and set it on top of my refrigerator. Sad to say, it sat there for almost 6 months. Little did I know that the key to my better future had already passed through my hands, but I didn't immediately pursue the school. For quite some time, I had toyed with the idea of going back to school, but I always let life happen. At one point, I had even talked to my husband and children about the idea of me going back to school. As always, I kept talking myself out of it. I came up with every excuse not to go. One of my biggest and dumbest excuses ever was my age. See, I'll be 45 years old at the end of this month. I'm also a wife, a mother, and a grandmother of 10. I didn't have time to attend school. My life was full. But I read a quote from Mary L. Bean that said, "The days that you are the most uncomfortable are the days you learn the most about yourself." I learned that I had the desire to achieve more. Still, there was one thing stopping me, and it was fear. So in order for me to get past that, I had to look at the 2 different meanings of what fear stood for. 1, to forget everything and run, or 2, to face everything and rise. So I made the choice to rise above adversity, and we all did. When I told my husband about going back to school and attending the Excel Center, he was very, very supportive. So supportive to the point that he got on my nerves. But in all seriousness, he gave me the encouragement and support that I needed to pursue my dreams of finally having this day. Most people don't have the support at home that I had, unfortunately. But if you have even the smallest desire in you to want more out of your life, the staff at the Excel Center will give you all the encouragement and support you will ever need. They make you see that you can do. They remind you how smart you are, and they show you that there are no limits to what you can achieve. They're just like family, staff and students alike. And along with staff, I had Leslie Chris, helping push me through. In those days when I felt like leaving, she motivated me to keep on pushing. She had tough love, but it was strong love. She did. And for me, this glorious day didn't come easy. I had what seemed like a million obstacles thrown in my path, but I made the choice to finally do something for myself, and I excelled. No one could ever take that away. Like my wonderful husband has always told me, you are never too old to go back to school. If your brain is still functioning, then you have the ability to learn. And I think all those years in the military made you think that way. So, because of that flyer posted in the laundry room, the encouragement and support of my family, I stand here before you today. And to everyone on this stage that made the choice to want more, I am super proud of you. All of you. My name is Kanetta Hampton Kelly, and we are the 2017 graduating class of the Lafayette Excel Center.